What are you doing? Hit that parrot. Mommy was just telling Daddy last night that I saw that Luke had done this on January 12th, and I was thinking, Will hasn't hit any of his animals yet. It's too bad you were born about the same time as your brother. Mommy compares you all the time. Hit that parrot. Oh, good job. Get him. Luke always hit the elephant. Get that parrot. Show him who's boss. Get him. Get him. You just probably haven't had as much time to practice, because when Luke's around, you don't get to lay on the floor very often or you get trampled. Can you get it? Oh, you missed. Get it. Oh, is that fun? It's kind of far away from you. There. All right. Oh, so sweet.